How to add grain on Snapseed. Are you guys facing issues to add grain on the Snapseed app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Snapseed on your mobile device. Now tap on the screen and browse through the image that you want to add grain effect. Once your image loads up, now click on Tools and select Grainy Film. You will be provided with multiple options over here. Choose it according to your preference. Drag it to the right side to see the multiple variety of options. Once you choose it, now slide the dragger to the right or left side of the screen to make your grain smoother. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add grain on Snapseed. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.